All right, gang, we're working on worksheet 3.2. We're going to be talking about transversals. We're on page 2 of this. Remember, we're going through the starred questions. We only have 2 on this page. Let me just pause here and jump up to question. All right, for this section, we need to find the value of x and y. We need to identify the name of the angle used to find x and y. So when we look at a picture like this, I think the first strategy that we're going to talk about is when you shade in your corner angles. And remember, everything that is shaded is all equal when you're dealing with parallel lines. So in this picture, I know that the y right down here has to equal 120 degrees because it's shaded. And if I look at those two angles, I can see that they're alternate and exterior. Then I can figure out that the x has to be 60 degrees because we have talked before that we only have equal angles and supplementary angles when we're dealing with our parallel lines. We got that because we did 180 minus 120. That gives us the 60. And then we have to figure out what we know about that. And the 60 and the 120, those are not related. But the 60 and the y are linear pairs. To everything we even had in chapter 1, to find x and y, we use parallel lines and we use linear pairs. The problem is finished. So what I'm going to have you do is pause, work on the next 3 questions, and then if you need help, I can help you with number 19. Give me a minute here. All right, question number 19, we're going to unpause here, and we're going to look at these angles that we have here. They ask us to find the value of x. So right here, I have to find out what x is. Use the same strategy that we did above. Shade all of the angles that equal 112 degrees. So we shade all of the corner angles there, and it turns out we can see that the 2x minus 4 is not shaded. So that tells us that that angle right there has to be 180 minus 112. It has to be the supplement angle. That angle has to be 68 degrees. So for this problem, I have 2x minus 4 equal to 68. For that, we're going to add 4 to both sides. That makes 0. Bring down the 2x. 68 plus 4 is 72. Divide by 2 on both sides. And we get x to equal 36. So the important thing to know in these problems is you do not always just take the number and variable part and set them equal. You have to think it through. And in this case, they are not equal. We had to use that 68, the supplement angle. All right. You work on 20, and then we can talk tomorrow in class. Good luck.